One of the most common fish-related stories I hear is that ducks move fish eggs via them sticking to their feet. But is there any truth to that? Let's find out.
Well, let's look at this logically. Fish eggs are very sensitive to light, temperature and moisture. So if the eggs were attached to a duck's foot and the duck then took flight, they would be bombarded with all kinds of issues, the main one being the eggs drying out, which would almost certainly kill them off. So while in theory this could happen, it would only work with very short distances, and chances are, if lakes are close enough together, either flooding or people would ensure that they had fish in them already.
So fish eggs sticking to a duck's feet and surviving to a remote pond is pretty unlikely. So case closed, right? Well, not quite.
The Centre for Ecological Research in Hungary proceeded to do an experiment in a lab. They fed thousands of eggs from 2 invasive carp species to 8 mallard ducks. About 0.2% of these ingested eggs, that's 18 of 8,000, were intact after defecation, the team found. Some of those eggs contained wiggling embryos and a few eggs hatched. This means fish eggs can potentially be spread by ducks. Ducks are known to be opportunistic feeders, and they may consume fish eggs along with other food items in their environment. This is likely fish eggs attached to plant matter rather than ducks actively searching out the eggs. After consuming fish eggs, ducks can inadvertently transport the eggs to other water bodies when they move from one location to another. This can happen if the ducks carry the fish eggs in their digestive systems and then excrete them in a different water source. It's worth noting that while this is a possibility, the extent to which ducks contribute to the spread of fish eggs may vary depending on the specific species of ducks, the type of fish eggs, and the ecological context. Additionally, other factors such as water currents, wind, and human activities can also play a role in the dispersal of fish eggs in aquatic environments.
Fish eggs surviving inside of a duck is pretty wild, and it shows how resilient nature can be. Hopefully you enjoyed this vid, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know, are there any fish myths that you'd like me to debunk or talk about? Comment down below. Cheers.